Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I'm Shanice. Hello, welcome to this awesome channel, and if you've been here, hey. So yeah, so this week's nail tutorial is going to be a quick, easy fall holiday inspired nail tutorial for this week because Thanksgiving's this week. But you can do this nail tutorial anytime you want, but it's very fall inspired and Thanksgiving inspired. So if you want to see and learn how I've done this awesome nail tutorial, go ahead and sit back and relax. But before you continue watching, go ahead down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel, please, and also hit that great notification bell that's right beside it so you'll be notified for the videos that I do each week, because I do a lot. And also like this video and share this video because it's very helpful if you need a quick and easy nail tutorial that you need for this week. So let's get started with this video. Hi guys, so this video is going to be a quick one. It's a very quick and easy, cool Thanksgiving fall inspired nail tutorial. So let's get started with prep your nails and shape your nails however you like them, and applying your favorite base coat of your choice. To begin these nails, I started with applying this nice rich deep burgundy red by Sinfulcolors called Rich and Heart, and I just applied it to the tip of the nail just so I can have that very opaque at the tip of the nail, because I want this color to fade into the center of the nail to have like this ombre effect of just this one color. So I just want it to fade. So at the beginning I just will apply one coat. So then I'll take a makeup sponge wedge and then I'm going to pull a piece from there. Once I pulled a piece from there, I'm going to dip that makeup sponge wedge into the burgundy red, and I'm going to ombre it up the center to the center of the nail from the tip. So as you go up to the center, it fades out and is not very opaque in the paint. So remember that. So at the tip of the nail, I really want it very thick and opaque. Not thick, but you know, deep, rich. And then I want to fade it out to the center. I'm going to do this to every nail. So once I noticed I was fading it out, it wasn't, you can see that line that I begin with, that I started at the tip when I was trying to fade it. So I'm going to go back in with that deep, rich burgundy red, and I'm going to mix the two, the faded part and the tip of the color part together. It's all the same color, so it just fades in nicely. So I've meshed everything together and it looks like a nice fade from this dark rich burgundy into the faded off into the center. I applied this nice cool glitter that has a purple, big chunks of purple and orange in it, and also little tiny glitter flecks in it as well, and it's pure ice and it's called Witching Hour. So I apply that on every nail. So you know how in the beginning I just paint that little tip first, so I want to leave that tip shown, and I don't want the glitter to be on that part of the tip of the nail. So then I applied from that area and up towards the cuticle area, and lightly with hardly anything on that brush, and applied about 2 coats of that glitter center to the cuticle area, and made the glitter fade out as well, like I did with the color before. Once I was happy with that, I went on to another glitter, and I used LA Colors glitter, like a rose gold holographic glitter called Cocktail, and I applied this glitter the same way that I did Witching Hour, and I did about 2 coats of that, 2 or 3 coats of that. Once I was happy with everything and the glitter looks all great, I then applied my favorite top coat, which is the Pro Effects High Gloss Quick Drying Top Coat, and I applied that as usual. And then you're done. So guys, I hope you really liked this nail tutorial that I've done and showed for you guys that you can do for this week for Thanksgiving, and also if you want to do some fall inspired nail tutorial, this is a nice quick and easy one that anybody can do. There's no nail art involved, so yeah, this is a very cool and easy one. I really enjoy doing it, and I really like them. So give me some comments down below and tell me if you like them as well. And so I'm gonna let you go, but before you go and click off this video, just wait and go down below and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also like this video and hit that great notification bell so you'll be notified. And go ahead and share this video to your friends, to you whoever, because they're gonna want to do this simple fall and Thanksgiving inspired nail tutorial that it takes minutes to do. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great, awesome day. Also, wait here to the end and check out some of my other videos that I've done. They will be in the end and or in the description box. You can check that out, or up there throughout the video you can check some videos out from there in the eye. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you come back, and I hope you see you come back. And yeah, thank you. Bye.